Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Teachable earnings to your bank account. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw your earnings from Teachable to your bank account, start by logging into your Teachable account. Navigate to the admin section on the left hand side of your dashboard. In the admin section, click on the Payouts tab. Here, you will see your current balance and recent transactions. Before you can withdraw, ensure that you have completed any necessary tax forms required by Teachable. Once your tax forms are submitted, look for the Withdraw button. Click on Withdraw to initiate the process. A pop-up window will appear, displaying the amount available for withdrawal. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Next, confirm that your bank account information is correctly linked. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, follow the prompts to add your banking information. After entering the desired amount, click on Confirm Withdrawal. Teachable will then process your request. You should receive an email notification once your withdrawal is approved. The funds typically take a few business days to appear in your bank account. If you encounter any issues, check the FAQs on Teachable's support page or contact their support team for assistance. This process will help you smoothly transfer your earnings from Teachable to your bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.